something about my presentation in front of you. My presentation topic is TZ, that means transformational grammar. Actually, I am not a very good presenter, but I am trying to share something in front of you. Please take it easy if there any mistake. What is the definition of transformational grammar? Transformational grammar, also called transformational generative grammar, is a system of language analysis that recognizes the relationship among the various elements of sentence and among the possible sentences of a language and uses processes or rules to express this relationship. For example, transformational grammar relates the active sentence, John read the book with his corresponding passive, the book was read by John. The statement George saw Mary is related to the corresponding questions whom did George say and who saw Mary. Transformational, the other sides of this active and passive sentences appear to be very different on the surface. Among the surface in the underlying structure is related very different on the surface. The transformational grammar tries to show that in the underlying structure the sentences are very similar. Transformational grammar assigns a deep structure and a surface structure to show the relationship of such sentences. Transformational grammar assigns a deep structure and a surface structure to show the relationship of such sentences. Those I know a man who flies airplanes can be considered the surface form of deep structure. Deep structure can be considered the deep structure like I know a man, the man flies airplanes. The notion of deep structure can be especially helpful in explaining ambiguous utterances. Flying airplanes can be dangerous. May have a deep structure or meaning like airplanes can be dangerous when they fly, or to fly airplanes can be dangerous. The most widely discussed theory of transformational grammar was proposed by the US linguist Noam Chomsky in 1957. His work contradicted earlier tenets of structuralism by rejecting the notion that every language is unique. The use of transformational grammar in language analysis assumes a certain number of formal and substantive universals. Now I will say something about the tenets of generative grammar. Grammar should be descriptive, not prescriptive. Grammar should characterize competence, not performance. Grammar should be fully explicit. Linguistic analysis should be maximally general. The users of grammar should make universal claims. Grammar should be psychologically relevant. Now I will say something about the strength. The use of transformation highlighted the multi-layered nature of grammatical structure and how what you say is not always what you get. For example, how does one get from the active to passive voice? What operations must occur? Might the failure to equate some of these operations by adult language to speak or show the language building capacity of the child brain. Some of this multi-stratal analysis one quite was different towards explaining and clarifying linguistic complexity, the complexity that involve more logically concept than previous model, a traditional approach to teaching syntax. They brought an almost mathematical clarity to questions of language that had always seemed opaque. Now I will discuss about weakness. Chomsky's approach is syntax-to-syntax. In other words, it stresses on the syntax over phonology and semantics. This actually led to a bigger division in the early generative tradition by those who wanted to propose that not only on different levels of syntax encoded in the brain but semantics was too. This overriding emphasis on syntax.
Thank you. Stop here.